Welcome everyone to the very first store hunt episode on my YouTube channel. Today, August the 3rd, when I'm recording this, it actually is my 17th birthday. And something I surely wanted to do today is to go hunting for cars. But not just at our extremely lame Belgian stores, otherwise the video would probably become very boring, but at our northern neighbors, the Netherlands, who generally have better stores than us in terms of cars. I know it's kind of stupid to hold my first hunting episode in a country which not even is my own country, but yeah, I had not a choice, cause otherwise it would have taken much longer before this video got released. So, today we'll be visiting 5 different Dutch stores, all in the same village. At some stores I have more chance of encountering cars, at others less, but of course, in the first place, I really hope I can find at least something. Before I start showing you guys the hunting footage, please note that my voice sometimes could be pretty silent and hard to hear. That's because it will be the first time ever recording while hunting for me, and I don't really dare to talk too loud, because if I do, it could become pretty awkward. So, enjoy the video! Okay, so we're now walking towards the first store of the day, called Jason Joy. First it was called Into Toys, but I think someone took it over and gave it to their own name. So yeah, I think that didn't affect the cars that they will have or use, just the toys that will get in stock. So yeah, let's see what they got. So we're knocking towards the second store of the day, called Blocker. Probably won't find anything here, but you never know. So let's see what they got. Nothing to see right here, as I already thought, other than Hot Wheels and other plastic cars. But what I did find is a little mini racer here. But I won't be picking this up because I'm not really collecting them. So this was all of it for the second store. Third store of the day, Kruidvat. So let's take a look. And I already found the first course of the day. Here with Track Racer Brick Yardley. Definitely will be picking this up. Here, Track Racer Tim Chadless. Let's see what they have here for other cars. Yes, here, Hydraulic Purple Ramon. Also will be picking that one up. Nothing else, sadly. Also found this thing here. This Hudson Hornet Hot Wheel. Pretty cool, but also won't be picking this up. Already heading towards the fourth store of the day. Action. Pretty big chance I could find something here, so let's see what their selection is. So against all the expectations, completely nothing related to cars to see right here. I'm sure that they used to have the Welcome to Radiator Springs singles, but I'm afraid they are already sold out, so no luck today. We have come to the fifth and probably last store of this, how I call, I think, or hunt journey in the Netherlands. The last store of the day is Van Kranenbroek. pretty excited because this store, I got some nostalgia kicking in from back in the days when the store still had a lot of cars. So yeah, let's see what we can find. So I'm now trying to find the car section here. I think it's in this row here. Oh yeah. Oh my god. This is amazing. How many cars? It's not... I know they are old, but old is sometime, old is gold. And this time, it definitely is. Look at this. Jackson Stone Car Street. Tommy Highbanks definitely will be picking that one up. Cruz Ramirez. I don't know about this one. Smokey Retraveler. Chip Gearings. Parker Brixton. Ralph Callow. Dude, this is awesome. Here, Punchy Wipeout, Natalie Certain, Ricky Hartley. Chick Hicks, Debbie Swervers, Fillmore, Murray Clutchburn. I don't know if I'm filming good. Right now, not looking at my camera. I'm so fascinated about these cars, man. It's amazing. Buck Brewing here. Yeah. Hey, here. Little metal cat. Pretty cool. So yeah, I'm not sure what I'll be picking up though. Oh, here. Sally and Tim. Text right here. So yeah, this is amazing. Let's see what they have more from cars here. This, I know. I've never seen this one before. This kind of playset. Looks great actually. I think that was all of it. All cars related items. Here, this Carrera Go track. Also have one of, not the same, but an older version of it at home. So yeah, I'm very happy with the selection. Honestly, absolutely did not expect this. What a blast to finish off this Dutch hunt journey. It's amazing, it truly is. So, this sadly concludes everything for my very first door hunt episode. I'll go over all the cars I got from this hunt, especially the cars I got from that last store, in my birthday haul video, which will be uploaded somewhere in the upcoming days. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up and eventual comment. If you didn't too. Also, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell to never miss anything. So, keep it up, stay awesome, stay positive, and most importantly, stay tuned. Bye for now and see you guys in the next video.